Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add footer in Excel. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! You can add header or footer at the top of or bottom of a printed worksheet in Excel. For example, you might create a footer that has page numbers, the date, and the same of your file. You can create your own or use many built-in header and footer. Header and footer are displayed only in page layout view, print view, and on printed page. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add header, how to custom header for your Excel worksheet. But now, what if you want to add footer? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Excel. Now, as you can see in here, there is no footer in here. If you want to add footer on this file, you can just scroll down and there's an option add footer. You can just double click on that and you can just write down the footer like this. So cool, right? So now you have footer for your uh, Excel worksheet document. Or you can just go to insert, there's an option header and footer, choose on footer, you can choose in here, and you can just like this. In here, you can choose the font, you can edit for the font style, for your header, the size, and also the color. It's all cool, right? So that is how to add footer on your for your uh, document, Excel worksheet document. It's very simple, right? Custom the colors. And here you go. So that is how to add footer on your Excel document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.